Hello all, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll see how to make a headband. First, measure the fabric and cut it accordingly. Take the fabric and fold it into half. The right sides should be facing each other. Pin the fabrics together and stitch it down on your sewing machine. Repeat the step with other two fabric pieces. These two fabrics are of same size. You can use any kind of fabric. Here we're using printed satin cloth. Now, turn the right side out. We'll get 3 strips of fabrics. Insert the elastic into the small piece of fabric using a safety pin. Now, pin it at both the edges. And then stitch it. Fold the bigger piece of fabric in half. And place the fabric with elastic on top of it, with one end to the other end. And then stitch it. Grab the second bigger piece of fabric, which should go in between the first bigger piece, and stitch it down the edge. Turn the raw edges inside out, such that it is completely hidden. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.